It's said that Chinese warrior monks can throw needles that pass through glass without shattering it in the process. But is this an illusionary trick or a real fact? The Mythbusters decided to put this legend to the test. An average adult man can throw steel needles at about 46 miles per hour, but this speed isn't enough to pierce 0.12-inch glass. Tori believes his throwing technique is correct, but the speed is insufficient, so they hired a professional baseball pitcher. On his first try, he reached about 105 miles per hour, but the glass remained intact. They then tried with glass 0.06 inches thick, but this time the needle broke on impact. Reducing the thickness to 0.03 inches, the glass was too thin and the needle shattered it completely. With no other options, Tori suggested using a modified air gun to fire the needles at about 180 miles per hour, but even then they couldn't penetrate the 0.12-inch glass. They concluded it's impossible for a human to achieve this effect. There must be something unusual about the steel needles and glass used by Chinese monks. But then came the surprise. Master Tsu demonstrated the technique live. His needles reached about 93 miles per hour. The key wasn't speed, but the microscopic contact area, which creates enormous pressure at the point of impact. Since glass is an amorphous solid, it doesn't distribute force instantly, allowing the needle to pierce cleanly. Mastering this technique takes years of practice because even at higher speeds, without perfect precision, it's impossible to pull off.